If you need to update your phone number on Disney Plus, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app or website. Launch the Disney Plus application on your device or visit the Disney Plus website using a web browser. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Disney Plus account. Make sure you use the account associated with the phone number you want to change. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Update phone number. In your account settings, look for the section labeled Profile Information or Contact Information. Here, you will find the option to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number and save the changes. Step 5. Verify your new phone number. After updating, you may receive a verification code via SMS to your new number. Enter this code in the prompted field to confirm the change. Make sure to keep your account information up to date for a seamless streaming experience. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Disney Plus customer support for assistance.